Joining our free channel.
Hello traders, this is Parker from PriceAction Forex Limited. Today we are going to break down one of our trade which was 𝐷𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐵Y and show you the exact process so that you can do that too. From the daily perspective, we can see that price just took out the equal highs, which is liquidity pool for banks, and then printed an indecisional candle right over here. It means that price is neutral here and the next candle will say who are in power. We can see the next day price took previous day high and closed bearish in the lower time frames. That means the bears were dominant here, and we can see that it's a clear distribution type 2. Here's preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test, UT, sign of weakness, LPSY. It gave us more confidence that price was gonna drop. After the LPSY, we took the trade from right over here. Price came to test again as it always does and strongly rejected, then went lower. There are a lot of liquidity pools and inefficiencies below. Therefore, price needs to fill these imbalances and liquidity pools which work like magnets. After taking out the first liquidity pool, we close half of our positions here. If price comes at this point, we will close more partials here and let the other positions run for the final target. As price is creating lower highs and lower lows, we are anticipating that price might create a new lower high and drop. So if you enjoyed it and want more free nuggets, you are always welcome to join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description below. Thank you.